We can't stop eating this dessert. You will not believe how easy this is to make. I will teach you how to make a no-bake Shoko butternut ice cream cake. We will need 200 grams graham crackers. Combine 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Mix well to combine. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Comment where you are watching from so that I can give you a shout out. Turn the heat to medium-low. Combine orange food color until the mixture turns orange. Cook until the mixture turns crumbly. Turn the heat off and combine a 1/3 cup sugar. Mix while the mixture is still hot. Lastly, add a 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut and set aside. To make our ice cream, we are going to use Vivo whipping cream. Chill the cream overnight before using it as icing, frosting, or ice cream cake. You can buy this from baking supply stores and Shopee. This cream is perfect for business because it is stable and does not melt easily on hot weather. We will use 2½ cup of chilled Vivo cream. Beat on high until stiff peaks. Do you have a favorite ice cream cake recipe? Type them in the comment section. This cream is so stable even without powdered sugar. In a separate bowl, add 3/4 cup cocoa powder. Mix cocoa powder with a 1/2 cup hot water until it becomes a thick paste. Combine 390 grams chilled condensed milk. Mix it well. Combine the cocoa mixture with the whipped cream. So creamy and rich. Assemble the layers. Chill overnight or freeze. Try this recipe today and I will wait for your feedback.